Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. Modern kitchen lighting transcends mere functionality to become an integral element of the overall design, seamlessly merging aesthetics with illumination. In the contemporary culinary space, lighting choices are carefully curated to create an ambience that's not only functional but also visually striking and reflective of modern design sensibilities. Imagine a sleek and minimalistic kitchen, where recessed ceiling lights cast an even and unobtrusive glow throughout the space. This approach eliminates harsh shadows, creating a well-lit environment that complements the clean lines and streamlined surfaces typical of modern kitchens. The result is an uncluttered and inviting atmosphere that focuses on the essentials. On the other end of the spectrum, envision a kitchen that embraces the artistic allure of pendant lights. These statement pieces hang above the kitchen island or dining area, acting as both functional lighting and sculptural accents. Their intricate designs and unique shapes add a touch of personality to the space, capturing the essence of modern design's emphasis on creativity and individuality. Consider the versatility of under-cabinet lighting, which offers both task and ambient illumination. Strips of LED lights concealed beneath the cabinets provide focused light on countertops, making meal preparation a breeze. Simultaneously, these lights emit a soft glow that contributes to the overall ambience, showcasing the seamless blend of function and style. Integrated LED lighting is another hallmark of modern kitchen design. Picture illuminated cabinetry interiors that showcase glassware or serve as subtle night lights. LED strips embedded in shelving units add a contemporary edge, casting light on decor and creating a dynamic visual impact. This lighting choice emphasizes the kitchen's clean lines and forward-thinking design approach. For those who appreciate the juxtaposition of tradition and innovation, imagine a kitchen with modern track lighting. These adjustable fixtures offer flexibility in directing light where it's needed most. In an open-concept kitchen, track lights can define distinct zones while maintaining a cohesive aesthetic, underscoring the adaptability that modern lighting solutions provide. The concept of layering lighting is paramount in modern kitchen design. Overhead pendant lights or chandeliers are often paired with recessed lighting to create a balanced blend of ambient and task lighting. Pendant lights over the island serve as decorative elements and functional work lights simultaneously, adding depth and visual interest to the kitchen's overall design. Dimmable lighting systems are a modern kitchen's secret weapon. Imagine the ability to transform bright task lighting into a soft and inviting glow with the flick of a switch. This feature allows the kitchen to transition seamlessly from functional workspace to intimate dining area, embodying modern design's dedication to adaptability and user experience. In conclusion, modern kitchen lighting is a harmonious marriage of form and function, creating a culinary space that's both practical and visually captivating. Whether through recessed lights, statement pendants, integrated LEDs, or innovative track lighting, the choices are a testament to contemporary design's emphasis on innovation, versatility, and the seamless integration of technology into daily living. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!